What do you like? You say
ugly girls.
You say value.
I want people that are ugly.
My brother, I don't trust my brother. I too like what girls.
Ugly girls are
It's all in their friend.
ugly girls are respect. Say, no, I said ugly girls will value me.
No wonder.
Beautiful girl, I don't want.
Oh my God!
So you want beautiful girls?
I don't want. Ugly girls will value me. They are fine.
Chineke, God of Israel.
You know what he's saying. You know what he's saying.
Beautiful girl, I don't follow one beautiful girl. I guess. She don't value me.
She don't value you.
She don't value me.
It's someone like
My
you.
caller said, she could look me and say, people, oh, ugly girls. If I call her,
You know what he's saying.
they call me pet names.
Oh my God!
But you understand me.
Oh my God!
Wait, yeah, don't say this part.
Beautiful girls really value me.
Yeah, don't
Oh, my way value me, they value me.
But I think he's making sense, so he's making sense.
Ugly girls, if you are handsome, if you are dating them, they'll be like, for this fine boy will date me. I will repent. I mean no one.
Okay, no man do anything. It's true.
That's it now. Ugly girls don't care, but ugly girls care, but beautiful girls don't care.
It's true.
They feel like even if they're happy, or even if they're not happy, they're gonna go.
Thank God. Yes, so no, you don't say something that I've never heard before.
An ugly girl will be doing everything for you to keep on loving.
Yes, now ugly girls.
Beautiful girl.
Ugly girls go dey happy.
If you don't want me,
Even if you shout.
But when you say beautiful girls cheat and ugly girls don't cheat, no, that's a lie.
Do you know why? Do you know why? Let me tell you.
No, ugly girls. No. Ugly girls cheat more than beautiful girls. How? Ugly girls.
Ugly girls don't cheat.
Let's
Ugly girls don't cheat.
give us
your point.
your
Let me give
point
my
of
point.
view.
I have my point.
Hold on.
No,
An ugly girl now.
they don't cheat.
When they meet, I'm not saying that it's all low. Let us not generalize
Let's
it.
just say 70%, right?
When a woman is ugly, what she will pray you for, God, please give me a man that will love me.
That is
Because
handsome.
That is
And
handsome.
some that will love me because they know that they are ugly.
Yes.
And not every man wants to look their way.
Yes.
But you see all these fine girls,
Yeah.
and especially when they know that they are fine.
You are blessed.
Omo, whatever you are doing,
You are.
now you go
Now you go do all the
abeg make this
small
girl
thing.
don't leave me because the girl already have it in mind that if you no work, there are millions of men
People
out there who would
plenty.
even want me.
Yes, now.
Okay, that's a different point of view.
Okay.
Let me give my own. Let me give.
Okay.
Hey, suspect.
That is
Oh, baby,
Oh my God! He don't open her eyes, yo. He don't.
Let me give my own point of view.
Let's hear from her.
Ugly girls, they hardly hear compliments. They hardly
Hello,
get
sir.
compliments. Cool down now.
Wait,
Favor.
get that.
Ugly girls hardly get compliments. So whenever
went out.
they go outside and maybe a guy just tell them, "Oh, you look good." They feel, "Oh, this guy actually said I look good." But fine girls, they always hear that from their husband. They always hear that compliment. You look good, look good. So you can't use that thing to get them.
That is the guy not.
That's why they don't
That
send
is
you
the
now.
guy not. He
That is why
don't do
beautiful
enough.
girls no send you.
No,
Yes.
seriously.
But you see
No.
ugly girls, they remain royal.
They talk. Listen,
Ugly girls remain royal. I am telling you.
I need somebody to talk this thing because
I don't see beautiful women that when their husband said, I don't want her again, they'll be like,
I don't care.
Hey,
If you don't want,
something is giving them that moral.
I thought ugly girls, they cheat more than ugly girls cheat more than
understand as a married woman.
Yeah.
Ugly married woman and ugly fine woman.
And that's what I'm actually
We are
saying.
talking about generally.
Generally.
Yes.
No.
Yeah, that's what you
I don't
know.
No, I don't just get away from
But
it.
ugly girl, they
Ugly
cheat past
girl.
fine girls. Ugly girl, they cheat past fine girls.
I don't tell you. I don't get this. If I'm very, very beautiful, if you see this girl,
Nah, I know. One thing, now I know say fine girl dey cheat pass ugly girl. Madam, tell
You know that
us.
he's talking from
Be
experience.
like waiting and draw. I see that me dey this girl. Anything what you want,
You're gonna
give
give
her.
I
Make
feel
she no
thief.
run.
I feel go thief. May I give her, make she no run. After everything she run.
Hey!
Hey, but
Like it is
No, no, see why you put the level of girls.
She run the way. She run the way.
Let me say something. told me something. You know what the man told me? Man called me and said, in-law, I want to tell you something. I said, what be that? He said, I will give you Baba, see, you marry my sister. I love my sister. My sister is so beautiful. I cannot marry beautiful woman. Listen, I cannot marry beautiful woman. Because of
He's talking about his sister.
You're expensive to take care.
Wait, now your brother will tell her. You tell your husband like that.
He said, I'm not finished.
Your phone.
He now said that. You get one girl wey come meet me the other day when I tell my sister wey be Amaka. But that girl fine like Amaka. But even though the girl fine, brother, I no wan go her pekus because say the girl go expensive for me. Say you want to the girl.
They gossip me with my husband. I know.
All the whole thing when they talk, that five girls, they expensive.
You can imagine.
You know see what he said? He said money, you get see go. That's what I talk about.
Every day you shoot there. The day expensive. If you do, they feel no value.
They don't value.
I'm not saying your wife the value, but not everybody the value.
No,
Yeah, most of them the value.
You see?
One of them feel like with their rights.
But it's making sense.
No, it's making sense
I
now.
know what I'm saying now. They feel as if they're right. And I feel
They are right, but they are beautiful.
I'm gonna marry or work here, no matter what you talk.
Get ready to accept.
But I come.
Give one secret about open now.
No, leave that one. Leave that secret for us, please. Leave that one, please. No, leave that one.
Any secret, so that doesn't know, not go open. No, you won't start.
No.
All girls make her happy. Make her see my wife.
Papa, I'm not saying fine. So you won't go value him. I don't say girls don't show up paper. I'm just saying.
Nobody value me. I'm not going to press.
For him to come to your husband.
I'm not going to press.
For him to come to your husband and tell him,
Tell me the truth.
brother, you dey try.
I'm surprised to hear this. I'm surprised.
My buddy. He said, I don't want to talk about my sister.
I don't marry you. I don't marry you.
I'm not too fine.
And guess what?
I'm not too fine.
Guess what? I don't take myself like I'm fine. I don't hear it. I don't hear. Ask my. I don't hear. I don't. Baby, do I act like?
My wife, when me and they work for road, a woman, you know, the man don't say that my wife, she just dey front, I just feel like for bad the worker. The man just pass and say, Tom, hey,
Maka.
a woman, and that's what they do to woman. Say, what do you hear about it? You will hear one guy, I tell you, why? No, but that day, that's what they do my wife. But that day, I let the phone and say,
I don't take myself like, but I don't hear it.
yeah, I got you.
Everybody have
You're gonna say maybe if you come on man, go they follow him.
No, everybody. I'm gonna fear that to the guy go down on the appreciate.
They say she's too fine. Oh, I know like to hear that.
Nobody tell me. The more I tell
It's
my
true,
wife,
you get one girl.
the man go dey happy.
Oh my God! I love that.
He said you go war, but your man fine.
Fine, finish. But I swear to my living God, but I like it. You know, he have not said this. You know, the sister has been on top of his matter. That is every time one lady. Now today, he decided to open up.
Ah, they don't punish me.
That
Beautiful
woman,
girls.
that woman said
Beautiful girls, they don't punish me.
I understand.
They don't punish me. Oh.
I won't call them again.
I think my mama said anyhow he be. You see again, the next one we go say.
Go up and down.
You should pursue the first one. I thought the
Yes,
next
so my man fight too.
My mom is.
You get
My mom pursue the first one.
I don't want.
No, this one.
Back at you.
I'm laughing at crying.
Yes, I thought it's not a beg me make I marry. Or you force me make I marry.
That was one way she reject.
You cannot force me to marry. My mom said make I marry beautiful girl. So you know, I thought you know the king command.
Again.
My mom married a king.
Village girl.
Hey, what mom say?
You told me that part.
Why go marry a king girl? You, my father married as a king.
Again. But now, my man don't fight. Very well.
Oh my God.
But my man was freaking handsome. He worked with white people.
girl,
Like the manager, white people, my father. Oh my God.